Hey you guys, so I am at the Cove in Long Beach and I'm so very excited because I'm starting my on-board process for my flight attendant training. But here is what I'm doing. I am putting together a little vegan meal, and let me tell you, this is so random. So these are the things that I try to be resourceful on when I come into a place that doesn't have like a kitchen or I can't really cook, but at least there's a fridge and a microwave. So let me show you what I am cooking up. So I have a container of plantain here and I just warmed it up in a microwave for 1 minute, but I added water in there because I really want it to soften up. Now, what I'm gonna do is run across the street to the grocery store. That's what I want, something pineapple-y.